Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Can't import default ciphers from urllib3. Utility SSL, a comprehensive tutorial and troubleshooting guide. The error "can't import default ciphers from urllib3. Utility SSL" typically arises when your Python code, particularly when using libraries like requests, which depends on urllib3, encounters issues with secure socket layer (SSL) configuration. This means your Python environment struggles to find or properly utilize the default cipher suites necessary for secure HTTPS communication. This tutorial will dissect the problem, explore its causes, and provide detailed solutions with code examples. Understanding the problem. urllib3 is a powerful HTTP client library, often used behind the scenes by higher-level libraries like requests. It handles the low-level details of making HTTP requests, including SSL/TLS encryption. The error message indicates a failure to load the default SSL cipher suites, which are predefined sets of encryption algorithms used to secure the connection. Without these, urllib3 can't establish a secure connection. Common causes and their solutions. 1. Outdated or incompatible urllib3 version *. Older versions of urllib3 might have compatibility issues with newer Python versions or operating systems. The solution is simple: upgrade urllib3. 2. Missing or corrupted OpenSSL libraries *. urllib3 relies on OpenSSL, or LibreSSL on some systems, for SSL/TLS functionality. If OpenSSL is missing, corrupted, or improperly configured, urllib3 won't be able to access the necessary cipher suites. *Linux, Debian/Ubuntu. *Linux, Fedora/RHEL/CentOS. *Mac OS, using Homebrew. *Windows. If you're using a pre-built Python installer, OpenSSL is usually included. If you build Python from source, ensure you have OpenSSL correctly installed and linked during compilation. You might need to install the Visual C++ build tools. 3. Python virtual environments and package conflicts *. Using Python virtual environments is highly recommended. If you're working in a virtual environment and still encounter this error, ensure that urllib3 and its dependencies are properly installed within that environment. Reactivate your environment to make sure the changes are applied. 4. Incorrect SSL configuration, less common although less frequent. Incorrect system-wide SSL settings can interfere with urllib3. This is less likely to be the root cause of this specific error message, but it's worth considering if other solutions fail. Check your operating system's SSL configuration files. This varies greatly depending on your OS and distribution. 5. Proxy server issues *. If you're behind a proxy server, the proxy settings might be interfering with the SSL handshake. Ensure your proxy server is configured correctly and supports HTTPS. Libraries like requests offer proxy settings. For example, 6. Firewall or antivirus interference *. A firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the connection. Temporarily disable them to see if this resolves the problem. If it does, configure your security software to allow connections to the necessary servers. 7. Self-signed certificates or certificate authority (CA) issues *. If you're connecting to a server with a self-signed certificate or a certificate from an unknown CA, you might need to explicitly tell urllib3 to trust the certificate. Use SSL_context parameter, with caution. Warning *. Adding certificates blindly can significantly reduce security. Only add trusted certificates. Debugging techniques. 1. Check Python version and library versions *. Make sure your Python version is compatible with your installed libraries. To examine detailed error messages *, the error message might contain additional information, like stack traces, indicating the precise location of the problem. Code example with error handling, using requests. This example demonstrates how to handle potential SSL errors gracefully using the requests library. By systematically working through these causes and solutions, carefully inspecting error messages, and leveraging proper error handling, you should be able to resolve the can't import default ciphers from urllib3 utility SSL error and successfully establish secure HTTPS connections in your Python applications. Remember to always prioritize security best practices when handling SSL certificates and configurations.